gorgeous flowers that bring hummingbirds to your yard. Cat's Meow Catmint. The Cat's Meow Catmint is a plant that is sure to thrive. It has a dense, refined growing habit, and it is covered with violet-blue blooms. Cat's Pajamas. Catmint. The Cat's Pajamas Catmint is a fragrant long bloomer that looks great in any landscape. It is drought tolerant, resistant to deer and rabbits. Delicious candy coneflower. A perennial garden favorite, Echinacea has enjoyed a decades-old reputation for being a lovely wildflower that has been tamed and brought into the everyday garden as a mainstay. Denim and lace Russian sage. With denim and lace Russian sage, Perovskia, atriplicifolia, you can add bluish-purple flowers to even the driest garden. The long-lasting color rises above lacy green foliage and lasts all season. Diamantina Clematis. This clematis pulls out all the stops and doesn't bother being shy. Diamantina, a sport from breakout star Crystal Fountain Clematis, delivers more fluffalicious petals and more blooms per stem than its sibling, yet the same amazing lilac blue color with pale yellow fountain center. Galaxy Mountain Laurel. Mountain laurel is a broadleaf shrub known for its beautiful springtime blooms. The buds of the Galaxy Mountain Laurel open in late May to reveal star-shaped white flowers and burgundy accents. Keepsake Mountain Laurel. The Keepsake Mountain Laurel boasts delicate flowers that bloom in the spring. Deep red, cup-shaped flowers have white accents along the edges and specks of white near the center. Kodiak Orange Deer Villa. Kodiak Orange Deer Villa is an eco-friendly alternative to burning bush, which can be invasive in some areas. Its glowing orange fall foliage will light up your garden. Luminary Ultraviolet Phlox. An improved version of the ever-popular Nicky Garden Phlox. This hybrid is going to bring you increased disease resistance and even more flowers. Explore gorgeous flowers that bring hummingbirds to your yard. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.